What's poppin', good people? This is Njoro from the 254 of the Truckers Sights and Sounds. Once again, I'm back with another video, and first of all, I want to thank you for subscribing and sharing, and I also want to thank you for your positive and encouraging feedbacks. We are together in this journey of motivating and encouraging people to join the trucking industry. So today's video is just a short one, and today's topic is gonna be about how truckers wash their rigs. By rigs, I mean the equipment, that is the truck and the tractor and the trailer. So just like any other car, and it needs to be clean, it needs washing. So they are out there set truck washes, but they are all different from car washes, normal car washes, because of the size, the massive size of the truck. So basically those truck washes are meant for big rigs, and the reason for washing your truck, obviously, one is as everyone needs to be hygiene really matters, and cleanliness matters, and as they say, cleanliness is next to godliness. So for you to be organized, and you also need to be always clean, because one, the truck is your living quarters. So you can be living in you can afford, if you are an OTR, you can't afford, that's an over the road truck driver, you can't afford to be living in a dirty environment. So once in a while, or even always, you need to clean your truck. So another reason for washing your truck is when you picking up your loads, shipping. There are loads that are very sensitive and need a lot of cleanliness. And for me, basically, because I do reefers, those are refrigerated goods. I carry fruits, I carry meat, I carry most consumption goods. So your trailer has always to be clean. So there are shippers that ask you to, when you get there, they ask you to make sure that your truck is totally clean. It has no odor, it has no dirt, small wood chippings or anything from the pallets. So basically, for you to do that, we always go to the truck washers. So today I'm gonna show you how I do it, and how most truck drivers and trucks are washed. So just stay tuned and let's watch the video of how trucks are washed. Thank you.